Welcome to Devyagya. Today in this session, we will going to learn a night melody, a night raga called Bihag. In Bihag, we use both the Madhyam Ma, that is Shuddhama, and Tivrama. Regarding the full brief description about the raga, Alap and advanced level of Gat, I will make a different session and I'll upload a different video for you. Today we will going to learn Rasakhani Gat, the basic style, the elementary style of Rag Bihag. A cycle of 16 beat that you know, that is Teen Tal, Rasakhani Gat. As you can see the notation, that the Gat starts from the 7th beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3. As you know the Teen Tal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9th is Khali. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the Gat, the first part is Thai, second is Antara. And Thai starts from 7th beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sa, ni, sa, ma, ma, ga, pa, gap. Now, Nidha, as you can see, we play in Mir. Dha, a, sa, ni. Actually, we say. So, Nidha, Nisa, ni is your sum. Nidha, Nisa. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sa, ni, sa, ma, ma, ga, pa, dha, sa, ni. Will not pronounce the top note. We'll just play. While playing, you can just see how I'm playing by taking a small mir. So, ni, I, pa, tivrama. Ni, I, pa, ma, ga, ma, ga, ni, or ga, ma, sa, ni. You can repeat the previous note. So, ni, pa, ma, tivrama, ga, ma, shuddhama, ga, ni. So this is your first part, that is Thai. So let me play for you. Nidha, Nisa, Ni, Pa, Ma, Ga, Shuddhama, Ga, Ni. Sa, ma, ma, ga, pa, gap. So, da, ra, da, di, ri, da, ra, da, ra, da, da, ra, da, ra, da, ra, da, di, ri, da, ra, da. I'm playing from Ni. You can also play the same note from Dha also. It might be a little difficult, so you play on Dha and Ni fret. Da, di, ri, da, ra, da, ra, ni, pa, ma, ga, ma. So let me repeat Thai for you again. Gap. Gap. Tivrama, Shuddhama. Ni is your sum, right? Now coming to Antara, starting from sum. 1, 2. What's the note? Ni, I, ga, ma, pa, ni. Da, a, ra, da, ra. Again. Again I'll repeat. Now. Those who have ma fret, higher octave ma, you can play on directly ma. Those who have till ga, you need to pull ma from ga fret Shuddha ma. Sa, ga, re, mama. Da, diri, ga, ni, sa. Dara, da. So, starting from Antara again, first line. Hope first line is clear. The second part. Ga, mama, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, ni. Da, di, da, ra, da. Ni, 1, 2. Ni, I, ga, ma, pa, ni. Sa, ga, re, mama, ga, ni, sa. Ga, mama, pa, ma, ga, re, sa, ni. Now let's practice this Antara part again. Antara. Antara. Now I'll play Sthai and Antara both for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, I will switch on the metronome. You can set to, if you have Tal Mala, you can set it to 3 Tal in a very slow tempo, and we will practice this Gat, Razakhani Gat. So, after you switch on the metronome, the link which I have already given to you, you set the tempo to 120 first, 4/4 beat. Later on you can increase after you memorize the notation properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gap. Gap. Antara. 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 Sa ni sa ma ma ga pa. You follow the notation as well as the stroke pattern, which is very important. After you memorize it properly, practice properly, then you can increase the speed. And regarding the taan and jhala, I'll upload it on my next video. Till then, you practice and enjoy playing Rasakhani Gath of Rag Bihag. Thank you.